Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So I've been looking forward to this set arriving in the mail, and today it arrived. So here we have it. It's the 50th anniversary of the 12-sided coin. So the 12-sided coin started in 1969. We did have the round one for a year or two until that was withdrawn from circulation due to the cost of silver, making it not viable to be produced in silver because of the cost of silver going up, and therefore they went and made the 12-sided 50-cent coin as we know it today. So this is a pretty cool looking set. It's actually better than I thought it was going to be. It's larger than I thought it was going to be. I know, and I hope a number of you have been able to get a hold of this set from the mint. And if you haven't, well, let's have a look at it here. And I think it was $65 was the price from memory. But beautifully packaged. It's the first time I've seen plastic. It's all plastic, so which is pretty cool. The blue and the gold, yeah, very attractive. So there it is there, the 12-sided 50-cent coin as we know it today, with the coat of arms. But let's have a look on the inside. So here we have a little bit about the coin and what I was talking about there, that the 50-cent coin started in 66, and it also talks about the silver issues, and we also have a little bit of information about the coins. So the mintage on each of these coins in the set is 20,000, so fairly limited. And the great thing is that they've put the effigies from 1969 through to the current brand new effigy here, and let's have a closer look at those. So this one here, the original one that would have been on the 1969 coin, if I'm correct. No, that one is not the one. This one here, the gold one in the center, that's from the 1969, and it's a beautiful coin. I actually didn't even realize that there was a gold plated coin in this set until it arrived. But let's have a look at the other effigies. So then we got the other one there, and the current one as we see it today. They did use this one for really only one coin, and it was the royal coin, the year 2000 coin, where they've used that particular effigy. And then we have the new effigy, which is this one here. I'll just move my light a little bit. So that's what we should see turning up on our coins. I actually thought it was going to be on the 2019 coins, but looks like it's probably going to be on the 2020 coins. So yeah, some beautiful coins there. Mintage of 20,000, as I said, and for $65 with only 20,000 of them, I think it's well worth it, and beautifully presented and packaged. So I think it says in here. Okay, so that's why it's got the two lots of mintages there. I think that's because of the gold plated. Here it is, the gold plated coin there. So exactly the same weight and size, and still designed by Stuart Devlin, but yeah, still a mintage of 20,000, but just a gold plated version there. So which is the original effigy. So pretty cool. I like this set, and I'm glad it has finally arrived. And make sure you get yourself one of these from the mint or one of the coin dealers. Plenty to choose from, and well worth having. All right, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this look at this set. It's yeah, it's beautiful. It's well packaged, and a great set for everyone to own, and certainly being the 50th anniversary of the 12-sided coin. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon.